Welcome to our maze race. Today we're gonna find out who's smarter, human, me, or a hamster. Our method of choice, this giant hay maze. I just got here. It's a little bigger than I thought. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. They're telling me it's 2 acres and the walls are 8 feet high. You might be thinking, how is a hamster gonna complete this hay maze? Of course they're not gonna do this one. I'm gonna run through this today, and then after this, I'm gonna go straight back to the makerspace, scale it down, and make an exact replica of this maze. And then we're gonna see who's smarter, my friend Kiki or me, our human representative. I've got a few things I'm bringing to the table. I've got an engineering degree, I love a challenge, and I'm very food motivated, and they told me I would get a little treat at the end just to make it fair, because we'll give the hamster a treat too. I'm all packed and ready to go. I've got some candy to mark my trail. I've got a walkie-talkie to call for help in case things get really bad. I've got some snacks in case I get hungry, and I've got my stopwatch on my phone. And if I have to list a weakness, I have 2 legs compared to Kiki's 4, and I've been known to get lost once or twice. Okay, it's time to get started. Let's see if I can beat a hamster at a maze. Ready, set, go. Okay, they weren't kidding, this is huge. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 choices. Let's go with the second one. It's good that I'm already tired, right? Oh, dang. Okay, immediately hit a dead end. Incredible. Well, I guess we're going back. Oh my gosh, I'm back at the start. I haven't made any progress. All right, I'm just gonna go with 3. Okay, so here I can go left or right. I'm gonna go right, and I've got some little candies. So I'm gonna put a little red candy right here for me so that I remember that this happened. Okay, excellent, good, good, good. My little red candy right here. Now I know I already explored everything that needs to be explored over there. So now I can go left. We're just running on instinct. What was this? Oh! Oh my God, that was a spider web.
Alex, how you doing?
We're doing great. Did you hear me scream?
No.
Cool. It's comforting that if I scream, you can't hear me. There's another split right here. Like, I don't know how anybody keeps all of this in their head. Like, do I just live here now? Feeling a little discouraged. I didn't expect how many dead ends were gonna be in this. We're just gonna sprint and we're just gonna go right every time. Nothing like a snack break to lift your spirits. Okay, let's go, back to it. Okay, you know, I am smart. I can do this. 3 directions here, but we said right every time. It's here. I survived. It's here. Yes. I was so much closer than I thought I was. Take that, hamster. And Steve. Wait, is this my treat? Some ground cheese? I mean, they told me it was gonna be better than this, but I mean, we'll take what we can get. That was way harder than I thought it was gonna be, but tracking where I was going with my bright colored candies definitely helped. I wasn't super consistent, but I was consistent about going right at every intersection. That was the key. I definitely got lost more than a few times. Sort of gave up like once or twice. At the end of the day, I feel like I did a pretty good job and I'm ready to go back to the makerspace, scale this down, and let's put Kiki in this maze, see how she does. All right, I'm back safe and sound in the makerspace. That maze was definitely harder than I was expecting. A lot of surprises, a lot of obstacles that nobody warned me about, especially that spider web was not kind. Oh! I think my strongest technique was turning right at every junction to sort of go through it more systematically, more logically. So now my next step is to figure out how I'm gonna build this hamster maze for Kiki. We got some amazing shots from our drone overhead that I'm gonna use to scale down our maze to 1/16 the size. That might sound small, but this maze was so big that even scaled down, it's still gonna be about 20 feet wide, which is huge. While I'm scaling down the maze, I'm looking at the design and I'm noticing there are a ton of twists and turns. There are dead ends everywhere. It's giving me a strong appreciation for how difficult this was and the design behind it. I'm going to need a material that's flexible, malleable, that I can make twists, turns, and corners with. So I'm thinking my best bet is a thin cardboard corrugate. It's flexible, I can get a lot of it, and it can bend and crease for all of my corners. Another great part about this material is that it's pretty tall. Our maze is going to be an exact replica of the one that I did, but our walls will be a little bit taller because I hear Kiki's a climber and the one rule is no climbing. Now that I have my design plan and I have my materials picked out, all I need is a big space to make this giant, tiny maze for our hamster. Here's the image of the hay maze that the drone took. I'm gonna project this down onto the floor and build up from there. It's done! I'm so happy with how it came out. It looks exactly like the maze that I just did. I'm really glad that I opted to use the flexible cardboard corrugate. It did take over 2 days of pure hot gluing, but it was well worth it because it's beautiful. Now we're ready for our star of the show, Kiki, to come in and try her hand at it. Kiki, are you ready?
Whoa, this is amazing!
Hi, Kiki. Wow, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. What do you think of this maze?
I'm pretty impressed how you made this whole thing.
Thanks, it took a while. How long do you think it'll take Kiki to finish it?
Probably about like a half an hour. So what is like that, like little prize?
Yeah, we've got a little cheese for her. I'm super happy with how this maze came out. It looks exactly like the one that I just did. And I'm pretty excited to see how Kiki fares. You wanna go grab her?
Yeah.
Let's throw her in.
Let's do it.
Ready, set, go, Kiki.
Hooray, she went the right way.
It seems like she's really going back and forth, like she's sort of memorizing the maze.
Yeah, kind of like an elephant.
Yeah, like she's got a good memory?
But that's why she's going to beat you.
No.
She will.
No, I've still got time. She's making progress. Okay, good, she's confused.
That's good. You're making her more embarrassed.
Well, I want to win though.
Yeah, she's getting a little confused.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
she's not sure where she's going. Good, Kiki's had to retrace her steps a few times. Oh, she's getting close.
Kiki!
No, turn around, Kiki.
Kiki,
Turn around,
Kiki.
Kiki.
Get her,
No.
get her. She's going to finish and finish! Yay!
Congratulations, Kiki. Kiki, do you have any secrets to your success? I was honestly really impressed to see how fast Kiki moved through the maze. A hamster is actually the perfect contender for this challenge. They're known for their spatial memory, ability to learn, and for being so food motivated that they'll sniff out any treat at the finish line. All of this combined brought Kiki to her success. It's not great that I lost to a hamster, but Kiki's a pretty smart one, so it's all right. Thanks for hanging with us. To see more cool videos like this one, subscribe to our channel. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I like that she likes the maze.